Well, we're gonna do the maiden voyage. We've done a ton of work to this vehicle. I won't get into it now. There's hopefully gonna be a lot of videos posted, or already should have been posted on this. But pretty much everything's been rebuilt on it, so we're gonna take it on the maiden voyage. See if we break down, see what goes wrong, test out our suspension, see where we need to trim. We've got the dog loaded up, we've got a bunch of gear, got the conduit roof rack, and let's hit the road and get out there. So we're not driving, we're on the side of a really skinny highway with no shoulder. It shut off in the middle of the road. Can't even get it to cough. Well, I disconnected the fuel pump because I thought it was running rich. Maybe it's not. Okay, so before I left, when I bought the thing, the fuel pump ballast resistor was jumped, so it wasn't being used. And I pulled the ballast resistor off of a spare one right before we left today, just because I figured that might be contributing to it running rich, even though it shouldn't. So what I'm gonna do is, I disconnected the fuel pump was the first thing, because I still thought we were really rich, and it's not even coughing right now. And I also was foot all the way to the floor to try to get it going again, because that would shut off the injectors in theory. I don't know if the computer's that smart on this thing. So I took the fuel pump relay out, but that didn't do anything. It's not even coughing. So at this point, I'm going to put the fuel pump relay back in. I am going to re-jump the ballast resistor. And then smooth sailing from there on out. See, here's the jumper that somebody had on it before. So let's undo. Can't tell. Might not be fuel related. She's back alive. I replaced the relay because I had an extra one. I don't really think anything's wrong with this one. Maybe a little corroded, but it's kind of having some hesitation. So we fired it up. I drove it maybe 100 feet, 100 yards up the road, and it kind of had some hesitation, like it was running out of fuel or like the clutch was slipping. And it's done that before. So we'll see. We'll see. I might poke around with some things. We might try to keep going up the road a bit before we call it. We'll see. Okay, we're on the side of the highway. We went back down the mountain. I replaced the coolant temp sensor up on the mountain. The old one is on the ground here. Didn't seem to make any difference. The thing is still really sputtering out. And last time I was up under the hood, when it wouldn't start, it had spark. And the next time I put the ignition coil back on, it started. So, and then it rode about, I don't know, 100 yards up the road, and then it died again. And I was checking things out, and the positive terminal on the battery seemed pretty loose. So that wasn't it. We are just hanging out. No luck. I don't know if my blinkers are working. Not make it too far. Doing another cool down break, and we'll probably go to Taco Bell up there, then maybe throw in the towel. We've probably got another 15 miles to get home, and I don't feel like doing that. I might just call an Uber, go home, get my trailer, pick it up, or goes down to 165, then it runs again. Once it gets hot, it refuses to run. Oh wait. That was just me. Shifting the camera. Okay. You guy. Xavier. Let's find some shade. Where could we go?
Yay!
Where do you think is gonna be good to shady?
Nowhere.
That thing right there?